Introducing our RHS-S5393-1, a versatile 90-degree adapter chuck that is compatible with System 3R and 3R-600.15-3 macro chuck. Let's break down its features and benefits. This tool features a 2-inch square chuck mounted on a 90-degree adapter plate, allowing for machining in both vertical and horizontal positions for workpieces and electrodes. The RHS-S5393-1 is a compact size macro chuck, boasts an impressive clamping force of up to 4,000 Newtons-N. This robust clamping capability ensures that your workpieces remain securely in place during machining, regardless of their size or orientation. This tool's compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces and precise clamping. Additionally, it is designed to seamlessly integrate with System 3R components and comes pre-mounted on a 54mm 3R macro plate, simplifying setup. It is easy to operate the RHS-S5393-1, which is a manual tool that provides accurate control of your clamping process. To secure your holders, it requires the 3R-600 5-point to short manual drawbar, ensuring a reliable and repeatable clamping operation.